Folks, today we're going to talk about top real estate stocks for sizzling upside potential for the last quarter of 2021 and beyond. Folks, with the economy opening back up and COVID rates declining, many investors are wondering whether the real estate market has topped out or is set to soar over the next few quarters. Now, the housing supply has already been low before COVID hit the world. However, the lockdowns and resulting raw material shortages have significantly increased real estate prices, kept interest rates artificially low, and the current raw material shortage has only made the situation worse. While I do believe the residential real estate market may have topped out or is close to topping out, industrial and commercial real estate should begin picking up momentum as the economy begins looking past COVID and the current inflationary pressure. Now, which according to Fed is transitory. I can give you guys some opinions on don't get me started on that. The bottom line is this: storage and logistics all require physical space, and with increased online purchasing activity, increased annually, and I mean it's increasing annually, the odds of seeing more activity in commercial real estate is almost a certainty. Take a look at the following numbers. Online spending represents almost 20%, 19.6% of total retail sales for the year, according to Digital Commerce 360 estimates. They went on to say U.S. e-commerce grew at a 32.4% in 2020, and the numbers continue to expand at a fast clip. Moreover, let me read you what Wall Street Journal reported late last month regarding commercial real estate demand going forward. Purchases of apartment buildings, life science labs, industrial properties surged to $193 billion in the third quarter, a 19% improvement over the same three-month period before the pre-pandemic period in 2019. It's the biggest quarter for commercial real estate property sales ever, according to data firm Real Capital Analytics. For the first 9 months of 2021, commercial real estate sales activity was up 10% from the same period in 2019, reaching $462.1 billion with a B. Now, demand has been increasing lately for warehouses and multifamily properties. Compared to the period before the pandemic, warehouses have increased in value by 41%. Multifamily property value has grown by 20%, according to the same report. In light of the upside we're seeing in commercial real estate, I've put together a list of 2 stocks that will more than likely participate in the growth sector over the near term. And we've talked about these stocks before. This is not the first time, not the first dance at the party. First one, Duke Realty Group, DRE, ticker DRE. Now, this is an Indiana-based industrial real estate investment trust. It focuses on logistic markets. It's among the top players in the distribution space and has been one of the best performing stocks in the sector. 1-year return, 43.5%. Earnings per share growth versus previous year, 15%. We talked about the stock on April 8th of 2021 when it was at $42 level, and then again on September 14th when it was near the $50 level. Now, the pandemic tailwinds have significantly increased e-commerce activity, which has created high demand for industrial warehouse and distribution centers. The trend is likely to continue in post-pandemic world, leading to robust sales growth. Earnings estimates have been better than expected last 4 quarters, and I'm seeing a price target of $65 per share over the next quarter and possibly higher if rates remain near the current levels. Now, next stock, Prologis, ticker symbol PLD. Prologis Incorporated engages in acquisition, development, operation of industrial properties in North America, Europe, and Asia. They're all over the world. The firm is involved in the acquisition management of logistics and industrial assets. 1-year return for this stock, 45%. Earnings per share growth versus previous year, 15%. Earnings and estimates have been better than expected each of the last 4 quarters, which is significant. We've seen 11 strong buy recommendations. We recommended the stock back in July of last year when the price was near the $100 level. Currently, the price is near the $150 level, and I believe we can still squeeze out another 20 to 30 points out of it over the next quarter, especially if COVID infection rates continue to decline around the world and economic expansion continues well into 2022. Hope that helps. Folks, joy of the trade, Jeff Zanneri, he's about to unveil the hidden price anomaly that's allowed traders to get in front of moves like 236% in 4 days, 162% in 12 days. How about 235% in 21 days, all from one ticker? Can you imagine squeezing out all those gains from one ticker? Now, a lot of people have no clue, but Barclays Bank engineered this one ticker to bottle up all of the volatility in the markets in one convenient place. And the price of this stock is consistently on the move. Now, the man who helped this hedge fund go 10 years straight without a losing quarter is going to show traders exactly how he's been able to find these kind of setups on this explosive ticker. Click on the link below to learn how to unlock this one ticker. And make sure to like this video. Subscribe to this channel if you're watching on YouTube. Stay ahead of the market. Be the first to be notified when I post my next video giving you hot tips.